Hello everyone, my name is Arnab and you are welcome to AH Protocol. The thing is, I have already done the drawing portion and while editing this video, I thought a little informative portion will be helpful for the viewers. So here I am. Let me brief you at the beginning and then we will straight jump on the drawing portion. I am a very big fan of the mixed media process, though I haven't mastered it yet. So I stepped out of my comfort zone and I have tried it once again. So I have used these alcohol markers and color pencils mainly. For this project, I used this mechanical pencil with HB lead and the Tombow Mono Zero and Apsara eraser for the outline on this Strathmore Bristol board of 400 series. This paper has a thickness of 275 GSM. For the underpainting, I have used these alcohol markers. This is Pro marker and this is Touch New. Yes, this Touch New marker is a very cheap marker, but these skin tones are really helpful for me. Oh yes, I used Sharpies for the black portions. This is solvent based, not alcohol, but this will work for me. After that, I used Prismacolor and Faber-Castell Polychromos for detailings. And lastly, I used linseed oil for the covering large areas with the help of these birds. Now we shall move to the practical part of this video. Since I heard about this new Loki series, I was planning to draw Tom Hiddleston. But unfortunately I didn't get enough time to do anything related to art. That's why I couldn't upload any videos for this long. I have lots of drawing plans in my mind, yet to execute. From now on, I'll try to post videos more frequently. And I'm really thankful to the people who are still sticking with me. Yes, I don't have that large community like other artists do have, but I'm still amazed to see that people are watching my passion, and it's an honor that I am encouraging some of you through my drawings. I know I have flaws too. Actually, way too many flaws, but I'm working hard to overcome them. If you guys want me to draw someone or want me to show some techniques, you can totally add a comment, and if you guys have any suggestion, you can also comment, and I love to read your feedbacks. Seriously. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you for any subscription, not even for a like. I know you will do those things on your own will when I'll be that impressive. Okay, I'll work hard and I'll be waiting for that day. Oh, by the way, none of these products I am using are sponsored, though it's quite obvious. Lol. And yes, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram at ArnabH95. ARNABH95. So have a good day and hope to see you in the next video. Adios amigo.